A land snail is any of the numerous species of snail that live on land as opposed to the sea snails and freshwater snails. Land snail is the common name for terrestrial gastropod mollusks that have shells. Those without shells are known as slugs. However, it is not always easy to say which species are terrestrial because some are more or less amphibious between land and fresh water, and others are relatively amphibious between land and salt water. Land snails are a polyphyletic group comprising at least 10 independent evolutionary transitions to terrestrial life. The last common ancestor of all gastropods was marine. The majority of land snails are pulmonates that have a lung and breathe air. Most of the non-pulmonate land snails belong to lineage and the cynogastropoda and tend to have a gill and an operculum. The largest clade of land snails is the Cyclophoroidea with more than 7,000 species. Many of these operculate land snails live in habitats or microhabitats that are sometimes or often damp or wet, such as in moss. Land snails have a strong muscular foot that use mucus to enable them to crawl over rough surfaces and to keep their soft bodies from drying out. Like other mollusks, land snails have a mantle and they have one or two pairs of tentacles on their head. Their internal anatomy includes a radula and a primitive brain. In terms of reproduction, many cynogastropod land snails, for example, diplomytinids, are dioecious.